Young robotics masters are taking the Philippines to the global stage once again, with the virtual VEX Robotics Championships to begin on Monday. Lino Lavario with a report.
It's not just fun and games for these kids who are gearing up for a shot at the title in the VEX Robotics World Championship 2021, recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest robotics competition in the world. They are Arrowhead Robotics, the country's lone representative to the global competition. The group is currently ranked #1 in the world standings for the VEX IQ Challenge Rise Above for both the elementary and middle school divisions. 11-year-old Gian Casimiro and 12-year-old Alonso Pio Quinto make up the elementary school team, while Gio Hernandez, 13 years old, and Bianca Casimiro, who's 15, make up the middle school team. Young as they are, they use the VEX parts, or the plastic and metal robot components, to build and program robots while applying the principles of geometry, physics, and engineering. Their task for the Worlds: program the robot to pick up the risers to place in a stack of 3 in every scoring goal, with only a minute to score as many points as possible. The competition has 2 parts: the driving event, where they will run the robot using the remote control, and autonomous, wherein they have to program the robot to complete the task. And this is by no means a small feat. Apart from flawless programming, they also have to balance the weight and speed of the robot to prevent it and the risers from toppling.
We need to position it perfectly. If the starting position changes even just a little bit, it can change the whole attempt and it can lower our scores really. The skills that we need to have to do the task successfully is critical thinking and problem-solving skills, because there are lots of problems that we may encounter while making the program or driving the robot.
What we normally do in practice is that we try to make our driving consistent as possible, and we try to make our programming work perfectly and accurate all the time. We always strategize with our teammates so that we can get the maximum score as possible. We also try to make the risers not fall so that we can score more points.
This takes hours of practice and programming, which they do alongside their studies. The Arrowhead Robotics are competing in the Worlds for only the 2nd time. But these newcomers are no underdogs. In fact, they are currently the top-ranked teams in the driving and programming skills events. Just last year, the elementary school team was declared the world champion, besting perennial contenders USA, China, and Canada, while the middle school team ranked 6th in the world. Now, they are hungry for more as they are out to prove something. The virtual VEX Robotics World Championship will begin on Monday. For News 5, Lino Lavario, we are one.